Hey guys, this is Northville Tech. In this video, we're going to learn how to turn on automatic top-up on your PayPal debit card. If you don't have a PayPal account, we will put our affiliate link in the description below for you to sign up and earn up to $100 when you refer your friends to join PayPal. But if you already have an account, just open the website, then click Log In. Now, log in with your email or mobile number and password. Once you're logged in, you will see several tabs at the upper part of the screen. Click on the tab that says Wallet. Now, under PayPal Debit Card, you will see an option for Manage Card. Click on Manage Card. On this page, you will see a section that says Automatic Top-Up is off. Beside it is an Edit button. Click on the Edit button. Next, select the linked bank or card from which you're going to pull out the money for top-up. If you haven't linked a bank or card, click on Link a New Bank, or Link a New Debit Card. Then follow the on-screen instructions on how to link. After that, click on Finish. That's how you turn on automatic top-up on your PayPal debit card. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos related to financial apps almost every day. Also check out our website northvilletech.com for great tech articles, and our recommended resources in the description below for various sign-up bonuses.